Okay, today I'm trying a different product. This is Meguiar's heavy duty bug and tire remover, and this is supposed to be professional strength. But the reason why I bought this is because it's a foam. It's not a spray. So I'm gonna be trying it today. So you can see my fender wells on my truck right here. And you see those tire spots right there. So I'm going to follow directions and see what happens. Okay, I'm reading the instructions right here. It says to shake well for best results. Apply to a cool surface in the shade. Apply a thick, even coating of foam to the surface to be cleaned. Overlapping passes to ensure complete coverage. Okay, allow product to dwell approximately 5 minutes for the foam to activate, penetrate and dissolve surface contaminants. Okay, after 5 minutes, and once the foam begins to dissipate, wash the affected area, wipe off and then you wipe it off, and then remove the residue with a strong stream of water. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, shake it up. Okay, maybe down under here. Let's see here. I'll shake it up. I'm gonna let you see about how dirty it is down under here. All right, put that down. There's my camera right here. And you see all that dirt and build up back there? Let you take a good look at it. And I showed you this side over here. So, okay, so I'm ready to apply the product right here. Okay, so I'm trying to hold the camera with one hand and spray with the other. All right, here I go. Smells pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna have to put the camera down for a minute while I complete this. Okay, you see I got it applied. It says to leave it for 5 minutes and then rinse. So, see I got it all on this side over here. So it's been almost a minute now, so I'm just gonna let it set. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, so it says to wash it off and then wipe it. So I'm at a car wash, but I haven't gone through the car wash, so I'm using a spray bottle. So let me go ahead and start rinsing it. Okay, and after you rinse it, you're supposed to get something like a soft cloth or something and rinse off the dirt. So I'm gonna let it sit for a minute and then I'm gonna wipe it off. Okay, I still got a buildup, but I haven't wiped it off yet. Okay, I just washed my car. After applying this heavy-duty bug and tire remover from Meguiar's, this is what I'm looking at right here. Okay, I was able to get that part right there, all over there, but the heavy-duty part that I wanted to get like that right there, wasn't able to get into the crevices. So let me go back on this other side and take a look. Okay, so it did okay, but the crevices like that right there, it wasn't able to get. I don't know if you can see way in the corner there where there's barely some light. Okay, that's what I was trying to get. So it didn't get it all as good as I thought. I'm not going down, but it's too dark to see that. But let me come on back out and tell you that this Meguiar's heavy duty bug and tile remover professional strength is not as good as I thought it would be. So I paid like $4.99 for this at Walmart, so I'll be trying another brand.